Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I want to start this patented bit theoria tutorials with the very first topic on the theory exam, and that is Strada. The word Strada, if you translate it to English, means street. So beginning from this place to the ending of this place, all complete together is street. It's a street. A street. The street now, Strada, comprises of marciapiedi. Marciapiedi means walkway. That is where you walk with your leg. You know, when you are on a road, you are walking along a road. Vehicles will be passing on this particular side. Then pedestrians will walk on a particular side. That is a place made for walking. And that place is called marciapiede. Marciapiede. That is where you walk with your leg. Now, bicycle doesn't drive in this place. It's meant for just pedonale. Pedonale, that is um, someone walking with leg. Then this particular side is called pista ciclabile. What it means is that where you ride bicycle on the part of the street now, this particular portion is meant for bicycle. That is, you can ride bicycle in this particular portion. Now, this, like I said, this is Strada. Beginning from this place to this place is Strada. And in that Strada is divided into different categories. Different categories. You have the marciapiede, where you walk with leg. You have the pista ciclabile, where you ride bicycle. Then you have the corsia di marcia. Now, this corsia di marcia is where you drive vehicle, where you see cars driving. It could be that the car is going like this and another one is coming like this, or it could be like they are both one way going like this. Then at the middle here you have spartitraffico. On a typical street, you have two carreggiata, that is where vehicles two-way drive, two vehicles here and two vehicles here. Then at the middle you have something that is separating it. Maybe like you see in Africa, most of the times this will be made of curbs, heavy curbs at the middle of that road. That is heavy curbs that is dividing the two road. Either this one is one way or they are in two ways. The vehicle can go like this, another vehicle comes like this, or the vehicles go the same way, and this side the vehicle can come like this, or the vehicle goes like this. So beginning from here to here, it is called Strada. And in this Strada, it's made up of marciapiede, pista ciclabile, corsia di marcia, spartitraffico. Okay, what you have here as where vehicle will drive, you also have it here where vehicles can also drive. So if you count the amount of vehicle that is supposed to be on this road, it will be 4. Let us count: 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 vehicles that can drive on this road. Now, here you have corsia di emergencia. Corsia di emergencia. This particular place is made for emergency. For example, ambulance. When there is accident on this road, this is where the ambulance will drive. Like I said before, I said this is a typical street where you always find it in highways or to strada, because it is complete with all the characteristics that made up a street. It's made up all the characteristics that made up a street. So where you always find it is like in autostrada or extraurbane principale or extraurbane secundaria. This kind of street you will find this, so it is called strada. Now, here you have banchina. You will observe that if you are on a road, on a normal road, you see a white line separating it. Sometimes, if you are driving a bicycle, you will be on that path too. You will be driving your bicycle there. If you observe also, maybe you are walking with leg. That part is called bankina. It is called bankina. It is outside the corsia where vehicle drive. So now, if you are on a road that is not autostrada with these characteristics or extraurbane principale, if you are just on a normal road, you will always find bankina. If there is no corsia de emergencia, you will always see this bankina. It is a straight line that separating where the vehicles drive from the part that vehicle will not drive on. That part is called bankina. Because these particular characteristics, I will present other pictures to really define it. It is the first thing you start to learn when you start your Patent B exam. You first of all learn these characteristics, strada. You understand what strada means, the definition of strada. It is made up of marciapiede, pista ciclabile, corsia di marcia, 1, 2, 3, 4, corsia de emergenza. This particular place, you are not allowed to drive on it. You are not allowed to walk on it. It is only meant for emergency. For example, if your vehicle spoiled, you can park here and call agent. You can call the police to assist you. You know, that is what the law says. You can park here and you cannot make a call. Maybe your vehicle have just spoiled. Your engine is just developing problem. They will now arrange a towing van for you to tow it from this place. Or you yourself, you can park here. You can adjust whatever is wrong if you can do it and you leave. So this place is only meant for emergency. Or if someone is sick inside the vehicle, you can also park here. Or if there is accident, then this particular place is used for ambulance to rescue people. When the ambulance have rescued those involved in the accident, this is the road they will use. So no other vehicle is allowed to drive on this road. It is only meant for emergency purposes. Then this place is the bankina. Good. Now that you have understand this, that beginning from here to here is called strada. That is the street. What is part of the strada? Marciapiede, pista ciclabile, corsia di marcia, spartitraffico, which is spartitraffico, that is the middle rail. Sometimes it could be green. Sometimes they could put curbs, BB curbs here to separate the two carreggiata. So beginning from here to here, that is the only place where vehicles and animals ply on. Without this other part is called carreggiata. So in this case, there are two carreggiate. 1, 2. This road now, if they ask you how many carreggiata or how many carreggiate are in this particular strada, you will say 2 because you have this corsia 1, 2, 3, 4. So each of the carreggiata is made up of 2 corsia. 1, 2 make 1 carreggiata. 1, 2 make 1 carreggiata, making 2 carreggiate. So this carreggiate is only meant for vehicles and animals. Like if you are going with horse and all those stuff, it's not meant for walking. You are not allowed to walk on this place, and you are not allowed to drive bicycle on this place as well. Now that is the meaning of strada. You can see beginning from here to here is strada. Inside the strada you have bankina, you have corsia di emergencia, You have Corsia di Marcia, which you have here, left and right. Then you have Spatitrafico, which separates the 4-lane road now. This is separating the 4-lane road. It could be iron, they used to do it. It could be curbs that they used to do it. Then you have pista ciclabile, where you are supposed to drive bicycle. Then you have marciapiede, where you are supposed to walk with your leg. I hope this is understood. Now let's move ahead. Now that we have understood what strada means, every time they say strada, 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 you understand the definition of strada. Let's move to the next uh, um, topic. The next topic now, inside this strada, like I described before, you have carreggiata. You can see now he's taking another part of that strada we talked about, because that strada is made up of 4 corsie, but here it is 2. So this from beginning from here to here is strada. Then from this place to this place is carreggiata, like as I defined before. You can see it. So you can take from here to here, you can call it strada, because here there are 2 carreggiate making up this strada. 1, 2. In these 2 carreggiate there are corsia, 2 corsia, 1, 2, 1, 2, making 4 corsie all together. So if you take from here to here, it is the full characteristic of strada. Or you take from here to here, it is the full characteristic of strada. I hope that is clear. Now, we now come here to define what that carreggiata inside strada looks like. That is why I have it smaller here. That you have 1 corsia, you have 2 corsia, making 2-lane road now. Maybe vehicle could be going like this, another one will be coming like this. So you have 2-lane road and you have banchina, like as I said before. That is outside of this corsia. Vehicle are not allowed to drive here. They only drive here. The vehicle can only use here when they want to park. They can come here and park. Maybe something happened. Good. Then you can see now we have the piste ciclabile here. You can see the pista ciclabile. Pista ciclabile is here, and we have the marciapiede. That is where you walk with your leg. So guys, this is the first series of our topic on Patente B Teoria. I want you to follow me, subscribe to this YouTube channel. Just follow me bit by bit. Whatever you don't understand, drop it. I will use English to explain it better. There are we will take it bit by bit, so that if you understand this, we will go to questions, we will answer it. Okay, you can see now the colors are used to define what and what is inside the strada. Here you have green, leaf green color. Here to here, you can see he said veicoli e animali, which means humans and animals, like as I said before. Then you have here which is a light brown. He said pedoni, this place. Like as I told you before, that if you don't have these characteristics in this strada, maybe you are just having it from here to here. Humans can still walk here too, like normal road. You will not enter where the lane for driving to start to trek. You will be inside this place, outside the corsia. Then you have biciclette, this place, which is on this is purple, right? You can see now. So that is the definition of strada and the definition of carreggiata. So the carreggiata is inside strada, marciapiede is inside, pista ciclabile is inside. So when they ask you what is strada with Italian, they will ask you, is marciapiede part of strada? Is yes. Is the pista ciclabile part of strada? Is yes. is Corsia di Marcia instead of Strada? Is yes. So when we come back in the next topic, we will come and answer questions based on these two places so that you will understand it very, very well. So guys, that is all I have for you. I will be taking it bit by bit, but please subscribe to my YouTube channel. It is free. All you just need to do is click on the like button and drop your comment below. I will be giving you this tip. We will move from here, we'll move to another one. When you get to a certain stage, if you are answering the question, I cannot tell you to go and prove her, go and take the exam, no shaking. Because I did mine. I studied it on my own. I didn't go to school. I studied, I was at home for like a month or two or so. Sometimes that I think yes, because it was when I stopped, when our work finished, because I am doing seasonal work, I was having chance between 1 month or 2 months. So I was at home, I read and read. I bought one book like that, but I was always reading online. So after I've done everything, I went to Ufficio di Motorizzazione. I made my intention that I want to write the exam. They gave me the form and everything, and I filled it. I went to the bank to pay what they asked me to pay. And that was how I wrote the exam. I wrote my exam and I passed. I only failed one, out of, I got 29 over 30. So that is how I did it. So some people will say, if you don't speak Italian very well, you cannot. No, that is not true. If you can understand what it means, and if you understand, the most important thing is understand the questions very well. If you have deep understanding, no matter how they set the exam, you can, at least you can read it little by little. You will understand what it means. You will know whether it is true or false, because it is just true. A B. That is how they do it. It's either true or false. So guys, don't forget to subscribe and share this video with your friends. This is very, very important. Share it with your friends. I want us to be in a group. Maybe we should be around maybe 500 or 600 of us. Then I will be monitoring each person. Anyone that goes and pass the exam will come back. We share the testimony together. Thank you very much. God bless you. Bye.